The roots of our past define our future. Now, in its 45th year, the Iowa Soybean Association reflects on its proud legacy and partnership with Iowa farm families and their communities.
This here is our bioreactor project, and what a bioreactor is essentially it's an underground trench filled with wood chips. So we tap into a tile line and divert the water from these tile lines into the bioreactor as a nitrate treatment process, similar to a wetlands actually, but much smaller land areas required for these bioreactors, and actually doesn't require any land to be taken out of production.
When you're talking about water quality and improvement, there's no one strategy that will solve the problem. This is a tool in a suite of packages that we're trying to put together.
This bioreactor project that we're funding in partnership with Agriculture's Clean Water Alliance and the Iowa Soybean Association represents one way to keep nutrients out of our water supply, out of the watershed, and on the land where it belongs.
So farmers are very concerned about water quality. They live out here, they drink the water, they recreate in these streams. And so this is just continuing that legacy of being responsible for the things that they can control.
Bioreactor's pretty new. It's a new technology that we're starting to demonstrate. This will be one of several that we're doing throughout the upper part of Iowa.
Our first bioreactor has had some very good success so far. This is its first season running, and right now we're seeing about a 60 to 70% reduction in nitrate concentration.
So far, what we have been testing on a previous bio install has shown a big improvement in the water quality as being discharged.
For a while, agriculture put their head in the sand and said, this isn't our issue, this is other people's problems going on. But I think now we've got enough understanding that we are part of the problem and we need to be part of the solution.
So working with Iowa Soybean Association and projects like this, these are the kinds of practices that farmers can implement to directly benefit water quality in the Boone River watershed.
When I was 14, learned the FFA Creed, and it starts out with, I believe in the future of farming with a faith born not of words, but of deeds. And this is an example of that creed, I think, going forward with some action.
In terms of agriculture being effective at improving water quality, it's quite frankly, it's going to take a whole cadre of solutions that start in the field and being profitable there and raising corn and soybeans, but also our targeted off-field practices like a tile bioreactor, like this buffer system. So this is a pretty good example of the kinds of strategies that agriculture can take to improve water quality.